Good morning, everyone. Just about to go through today, chapter 35 of the Cumbie book. We're going to focus on divisibility today. And as explained in my little summary at the start of the day, it's the divisibility rules. You've got a lot of numbers here that are each divisible by, you look on the side here, 2, 3, 5, 9, and 10. And you just mark on the top here what the numbers are. You just put a little plus sign in each one. So divisible by 2, you see everything except 25 is divisible by 2 because that's an odd number. And then you look at the rest, what's divisible by 3, 5, 9, and 10. And there's a little clue at the top there showing you little hints on how you work it out. Okay, so the next bit is a bit tricky, but if I explain it, it will help. All right, so what you're going to do work here is there are 30 plums. How many more plums do we need at the minimum if we want to divide the plums evenly? So if you wanted to divide 30 plums into 4 bags, you can't really. There's going to be a remainder. So how many more plums would you need to make it an even number between the 4 bags? And the answer would be 32. So how many plums extra? It's going to be 32 plums, and that's divisible by 4 with no remainder. So because it's 32, that's 2 more than 30. So you write 2 plums at the top there. If there were 6 bags, you wouldn't need any extra plums because 30 is exactly divisible by 6. Remember the 30 at the top there, all right? If you had 7 bags, to divide that evenly, you'd need 35 plums to divide it. And then if you had 9 bags, you'd need 36 plums. And we're just writing in there the number of the extra numbers that you need over 30, really, in those 2 examples. The next bit is the balls in the bag weigh 0.8 kilograms in total. How many are there? So you got here footballs. There's 800 grams is the same as 0.8. Okay, and they each weigh 400 grams the football, so it would be 2 on there. Okay, if you look at golf balls, you're gonna use this table up here really to help you. Okay, to read the measurements, and you've got golf balls there as well. They weigh up here 50 grams each. Okay, and you divide that into 800, which is 16. Okay, so there are all the answers there. Okay, an easy way to divide is just crossing out the numbers either side of the division. So you'll notice on this basketballs one, there's 2 zeros on either side of the division sign. So you knock them off and it makes it an easier sum, like here 12 divided by 6. Okay. Then it's a similar question as before. You just mark on all these numbers, what numbers are they divisible by, and it says circle. So you just read the question there as to what's done there. I mentioned in my intro about diameter of basketballs. That's the whole length across the basketball. If it's 24 centimeters and there's 20 basketballs, you just do 20 times 24, and you convert that into meters. So you need to pay attention to this in your questions. So 480 centimeters is the same as 4.8 meters. You do the same for these others. You look at the diameters and work out the final amount. All right. This next one, you plot the coordinates of these numbers here, and it said it should form 2 cubes. All right, so it should look like that. They're overlapping. All right, so well done if you got that. And we go down here. Deduce the positive integer. That just means that a number that's greater than 0, as opposed to a negative integer, which is a minus number. So what's the smallest 2-digit number divisible by 2, 3, and 5? We know Anna got this right in my talk to you. It's 30. And the others are the same thing. Smallest 3-digit number, that's 120. 180 for that, 190, 990, and 9,990. Oh, that's some tough ones there. Okay. Here, just kind of a recap, really. These are all the numbers on the side, what it's divisible by, and these are the numbers. And you just mark and check what you've written there. Okay. So lots of division today. Best of luck with that. Make sure you mark your books, and that is it for today. Thank you very much.